I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by turning the circuit off and verifying no live voltage with a tester. Once done, mark your spotlight pattern with the supplied template, keeping 1/2 inch from joists and fixtures. Measure spacing to balance illumination across the room. This prevents glare and dark spots. Next, cut holes with a drywall saw using steady, controlled strokes. Go slow to avoid overcutting. Make sure to keep dust containment in place and collect debris before continuing to wiring so the workspace stays neat. You now route CL2/20 cable from the power source to each fixture location, using fish tape through the attic or chase to avoid cutting more drywall. Once pulled, strip conductors and twist matching wires, neutral to neutral, hot to driver hot, and bond grounds together. Use pigtails where multiple fixtures join and secure connections with proper wire nuts. Then push connections into the junction box. Make sure to clamp cables at the box entry to prevent strain. After connections, gently tuck wires. You finish by pushing the fixture into the hole, compressing springs until the trim seats flush and level with the ceiling. Once all units are fitted, restore power at the breaker and test each spotlight. Dimmer-controlled circuits may need compatible drivers, so make sure dimming works smoothly. If a light flickers or fails, shut power off and recheck the hot and neutral at the driver, confirm ground continuity, and verify the driver is rated for the LED load. If trim gaps remain, reseat the spring and trim until tight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.